Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto G10. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, tap on continue and select allow. You want to go with receive on G10 and send on Motorola device. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will select only this one photo, choose send and tap got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon over here, choose while using the app and point my camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select Continue, tap on, in my case, Images, and as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!